YouTube, what's going on? Your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. And today, bad news, guys. I mean, I guess as you can see from the title, you already know what's up, but as you know, the 2021 Chevy Spark looks good, right? Don't it, guys? Looks great. But, unfortunately, ooh, ouch, yes sir. You see it, guys. Unfortunately, somebody didn't hit your boy. Hit and run. Kept going. Okay, so. Alright, guys, so you feel me? Long story short, you feel me? I was going straight towards the light. Went to make my left, got to, the left turning lane. Light was yellow. Boom, I proceeded to make my left. And I guess it was yellow on his side too, and he came flying through the light. And you feel me? I thought I was clear, but nope. Came by, boom! Straight hit me. I'm like, wow, yo, hit me. So I pulled over to the little shoulder median. And look, yo, kept going. I'm like, wow. So, yeah, hit and run. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see, exactly who it was or anything like that, or even the car, even though I know it was like a silver SUV. But I wasn't really able to even make sure, it happened so quick, and I wasn't even thinking it was gonna happen, so. But yeah, guys, I take it to the shop tomorrow to get it checked out. What you guys think the damage is? As you can see, it's scraped up right there and dented in. Right there. Then right here is massive damage, massive scrapes. Paint chipping, denting. Big dent right here, scrapes all on there. Scraped the tail light just a little bit, as you can see right there. And luckily I wrapped this. This had been all scraped up too, but as you can see, pretty deep scratches in there. And yeah, the whole bumper's all scraped up, paint off of it, But yeah, guys, unfortunately, always something, guys, always something. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering why I got the spare ones, because when he hit me, here's my rim. You see, all scraped up, But yeah, guys, when he hit me, I guess the impact hit me so hard, he ripped the whole tire valve stem out, so it was just leaking there. As soon as it hit top down, I heard so I know it was a problem, so I had to grab the spare, eject the car, but I had to put it on at the scene. But yeah, guys, unfortunate. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the Spark. As you guys know, I literally just got this in 2021, literally fresh off the lot, and this happens. So yeah, guys. Luckily, I have insurance. But yeah, I know it's been a minute, guys. Definitely more content coming, especially on Infiniti. It's just colder here. You see, I'm all still bundled up. But yeah, as soon as spring hit, you already know the content gonna be popping. But that's a little update video, guys. Nothing else really. But till next time.